Yes, my viewer, subscriber, it's your boy Djstullaa from here, the Vice, you know how it is. Maestro Don gone grimy, pana one hour, when me say grimy, the man gone grimy. But we say viewers, pre this.
Me certain, not a square dog, you will get a circle. Me sure get the boy John Dirt, must walk through, draw down like curtain.
Viewer, subscriber, big woman thing. Enough people that pan a Riddim ya. Some of them sound alright. But you know more time you watch a series and part 2 or part 3 better than part 1. And that's how me I left it. Before we go down in it, we're going to run the intro, so walk with me. Yes, my viewers, it's your boy Djstullaa. We say if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like, comment, share, or you can press the bell icon for each time we upload. You're the first to get it, or you can catch us on the gram at Djstullaa. Say nothing more, your boy one. Viewer, subscriber, we don't know say Kartel boss a Riddim ya. And me I tell you say, if Kartel never boss a Riddim ya, and if Kartel never did a Kartel, me I tell us a Maestro would have take it. Cause Maestro up there right up on the top there with him. But me I tell us when me say Maestro gone grimy pana one ya, him gone grimy. And me love the way him gone grimy. But here and now we are gonna break down some of the thing where Maestro say. Maestro say him bad and that of is certain. So left that one side. A man say yo, in every square have a circle. As you know, sometimes square have a roundabout in it. So the man a make you know say if you violate, him will spin back round and crowd get pulled down like a curtain. And that are the bars where the man a drop in it. And that are the cleverness. Pre this.
Hey boy, you sick or what? Where you drink? You move mighty, brother. Where you think? Put you down in the church, more put down offering. Pastor pray, that's why I'm not do it often.
Viewer, subscriber, we don't know say when it come to Maestro Don full of bars. But make we break down some of the things where the man a say. The man say, yo brother, you must see sick or what? Where you drink? The man say, you move so mighty, where you think? The man a make you know say, yo, hear me now brother. The best thing you can do, go to church and go put down some offering and make pastor pray for you. Cause like say, yo, you move careless.
Walk out with my gun like it legal. Sister Pat can't believe say I me that. Now miss you a little son that Jesus. Me say no sister, like a I not believe that. Me certain.
Viewer, subscriber, when me say Maestro Don a spit bars in a them I must spit bars. And that's why me I tell you say yo, him the right up at top there so with Kartel pan a Riddim ya. Big woman thing. You see me? But here the man say. A man say him come out time yard with him gun like it legal. A man say, yo, sister Patsy, man say, hold on. Now Miss Joan look a son that him say, yo, mommy, respect Joe. Lock your eye, don't believe that. Bomba clot of them bars, blood, fire.
Not a square dog, you will get a circle. Me sure get the boy John Dirt, must walk through, draw down like curtain. Me bad, me certain. Not a square dog, you will get a circle.
Viewer, subscriber, hear me now. The thing when me love about this, me love the griminess where Maestro Don go in. Me love the aggression where him bring to it. You see me? Because enough big name the pan a Riddim ya. And me I tell you say him come and him take it. And him take it like a for him. And that's why me I say, my thing is my thing. But me I tell you say, Kartel, Maestro Don the right behind you. Yo, we say, it's your boy Djstullaa. If you're new to the channel, then please subscribe, like, comment and share. Or press the bell icon for each time we upload. You're the first to get it. When I say nothing more, it's your boy Djstullaa one.